Hi, my name's Heather Costello. I'm an associate professor in the Department of Business and Innovation here at Bucks County Community College. I've taught here at the college for close to 12 years. My background, I have a bachelor's degree from Holy Family University in criminal justice, as well as a JD from the Rutgers University School of Law. I've worked in both criminal and civil law as well as corporate law. You'll find here in our department that we have a wide variety of majors, one for every student. We have majors in accounting, culinary, small business management, entrepreneurship, paralegal studies, fire science, hospitality, and many more. You can earn both an associate's degree and a certificate. You'll find that our instructors come from a wide variety of backgrounds as well and offer years of experience and mentorship. Our courses are approved by both the Accreditation Council for Business Schools and Programs as well as the American Bar Association. Our students have the opportunity to engage in contests, clubs, field trips, and all sorts of programs designed to really enhance student engagement. You'll find that our instructors have an open door policy and welcome student interaction on every level, because our job is your success.